Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study definite and indefinite articles given at chapter 7 of your grammar book. So, let's begin. Now, what are articles? Dear children, you should know the meaning of the word article. The word article has three different meanings. Number one, an object or a thing. For example, a bag, ball, etc. Number two, a piece of writing in newspaper or magazine. The third meaning is the words like a, an, and the that we use in different sentences in English are known as articles. So, children, we are going to study all about the third meaning of the word article in detail. That means when to use a, when to use an, and when to use the. So, in English grammar, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Such words are a, an, or the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is called definite article. So, how to locate such articles in sentences? For example, after the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the in this sentence, it has shown that it was one specific or particular day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. In the second sentence, after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article a, we have created a general statement. That means any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Next, we will study about indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. A means one, an also means one. We use a and an with the countable nouns in the singular form. For example, a book means one book, a pen means one pen, and a ball means one ball. Same way, an apple means one apple, an aeroplane means one aeroplane, and an umbrella means one umbrella. But we never say or milk or an honesty because milk and honesty are not countable. Next, we use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a dog, a girl, a map, or yak. Or 1 rupee note because O in 1 is pronounced as W and this is a consonant sound. Similarly, a uniform. Here also U is pronounced as YOO. This is also a consonant sound. Next, we use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an orange, an apple, an egg, etc. An is also used before honest and are because H remains silent in both the words. Same way, an MP because M sound EM, that is vowel sound. Next, we use a or an when we mean any person or thing. We use the when we mean a particular person or thing. For example, take a chair. This means take any chair. Then take the chair lying near the window. Here we are talking about a particular chair that is lying near the window. Same way, a man is waiting at the door. That means any man is waiting at the door. but the man you wanted to meet is waiting at the door. So here we are talking about a particular man. Next rule. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak of them again, we use the. For example, a stranger came to our house. Second sentence, the stranger wanted to meet my father. In the second sentence, we are talking about the same stranger again. So we use the. Same way, he showed me a box. The second sentence, the box was full of toys. Here also, we are talking about the same box again. Sometimes we may not have used a noun earlier, but it is very clear what we are talking about. In such cases, we use the. For example, the moon is shining in the sky. Then the telephone is ringing. And the third sentence, the door of the drawing room is locked. Then article the is placed before a noun to specify something. It is used before nouns that are one of a kind. For example, the sun, the moon. Nouns that are already talked about. For example, there is a book on the table. The book is open. Then names of rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Hooghly. Article the is used before the names of mountains and mountain ranges. For example, the Alps, the Himalayas. Before the names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. Before the names of holy books. For example, the Bible, the Gita. And before the names of groups of islands. For example, the Lakshadweep Islands. The definite article the is also used in these situations. Number 1. When speaking about nationalities. For example, the Indians, the French, the Americans. Next, when a singular noun is used to refer to a kind of or a class of something. For example, the lion is the king of animals. So children, we do not use any article with plurals. For example, crows are intelligent birds. Apples contain iron. And we do not use any article before uncountable nouns. For example, do you like chocolate? We can stay here and listen to music. So children, this is all about this chapter. Hope you all understood and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice learning day.